Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about animals. Students, do you know that the kingdom of animals is fascinating? I am going to tell you about their behavior and living pattern. Cat. This is a cat. See a cat. Many people keep cat as a pet. Cat kills and eats rat. Dog. This is a dog. The dog. Dog is man's best friend and protect our home. Cow. This is a cow. See a cow. Cow gives us milk. Students, we must drink milk every day. Goat. This is a goat. Goat. We get meat and milk from goat. Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant. Students, animal is the largest animal on the land. Elephant is the largest animal of the land. It has a long trunk. And students, male elephants has two long teeth and elephant likes to eat grass. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey. Monkey eat fruits and leaves. They live on a trees with their family. Monkeys are very naughty. Horse. This is a horse. Horse. Horse runs very fast. And do you know, students, in the old days, horses were the main source of transport. Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep. Students, we get meat and wool from the sheep. Pig. This is a pig. Pig. We also get meat from pig. Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkey. And you know, students, donkey helps us to carry a lot of load on their backs. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. A rabbit eats carrots, leaves and grass. Rabbit is a very beautiful animal and runs very fast. They found in white and black color. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. And do you know, friends, giraffe is the longest animal. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z, z, zebra. It is a member of horse family, and do you know, friends, it has a black and white strips all over his body. Camel. This is a camel. See, camel. A camel is called as ship of desert. Pupils load their luggage on the camel's back and travel. They live they live lot of days without water. Deer. This is a deer. Deer. Deer is a very beautiful animal, and deer runs very fast. Tiger. This is a tiger. Tiger. The tiger is the biggest animal from the cat family, and tiger has strips on his body. A tiger lives in a jungle, so he is called a wild animal. A tiger is the national animal of India. Cheetah. This is a cheetah. Cheetah. A cheetah has yellow spots on his body. He runs very fast. It is a wild animal. Bear. This is a bear. Bear. A bear has thick and long hairs on his body. Lion. This is a lion. Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. And do you know, students, the male lion has a beautiful band around his neck. Now, students, let's do an activity. I will show you a pictures and you will tell me the correct word for it. Students, which animal is this?
Ma'am, cat.
Very good. Which animal is this?
Ma'am, it's a deer.
Very good. Which is the animal? Okay, it's wild animal. He lives in jungle.
Ma'am, it's a lion.
Very good. It's a lion. Now, students, you tell me which animals protect our home.
Ma'am, dog.
Very good. Now, which is this animal gives us milk?
Ma'am, it's a cow.
Right. Now, students, let's recite a rhyme. My dream forest. A forest that is full of trees. A forest that is full of trees. Animal, insect and the bees. Animals, insects and the bees. I wish to hear the lion roar. I wish to hear the lion roar. Running behind the wild boar. Running behind the wild boar. An elephant with the baby calf. An elephant with a baby calf. A grizzly bear to make me laugh. A grizzly bear to make me laugh. A tiger comes in stalking by. A tiger comes in stalking by. And birds fly up in the sky. And birds fly up in the sky. A little lake in between. A little lake in between. where all animals can be seen, where all animals can be seen. I paint this picture in my mind. I paint this picture in my mind. Oh, where can I this forest find? Oh, where can I this forest I find? Students, I hope you have enjoyed the rhyme. Now, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Students, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a good day.